This video is sponsored by Storyblocks. Hey everyone, welcome back to my After Effects tutorial. Today, we are going to create this. Let's get started. Open After Effects and create a new composition. I am calling it Flipped Text Animation. As always, I'm using the 1920 by 1080 resolution, and a frame rate of 60. Now make sure to go into the 3D renderer, and change your render to Cinema 4D. If it was set on the classic 3D, then switch to Cinema 4D, and then hit OK. Now create a new solid layer, and call it the background. Make it fit the comp size, and choose any color you want. I am keeping this dark gray color and then hit OK. Then go to the tools, and select the text tool. Please note, I am using this Bieber's Neue font. Click anywhere on the screen, and start typing your text. I am using the first letter of the word. Eject from the typing box, and make sure to apply it to the center. I'm changing the color to a bright gray color, that could assemble the white color. Now we need to make it 3D. In case this 3D tab is not available here for you, then right-click on it, go to the columns and choose Switches, as well as Modes, because we are going to use them. Now make it 3D, and then open this text layer. And then Geometry Options. Here, if you are not able to see this geometry option, make sure to change your renderer to Cinema 4D. Now change the extrusion depth value to 50, and it will add some depth. Right now I am not able to see anything. So let's open rotation by pressing R on your keyboard. Then go to around 30 frames position, and add a keyframe on the Y rotation. Then go to the first frame position, and change the Y rotation value to 90 degrees. Check the animation, and this is how it looks now. But the thing is, the rotation is not happening from the center, so I am going to zoom in, and then press Y to grab the anchor tool. And then slightly move this anchor point right into the center of this letter. Now if you check it, the letter is rotating from the center. This is what we need. If you are liking this text animation, you will also love to download these types of text animations from the Storyblocks. Thank you Storyblock for sponsoring this video. Storyblocks is an incredible library of high-quality stock videos, motion graphics, and other assets that can help elevate your video content. Whether you're a professional videographer, content creator, or just getting started, Storyblocks has something for everyone. With over 1 million stock videos, you'll never run out of creative inspiration. They have stock footage, such as particles, overlays, motion backgrounds, transitions, After Effects projects, Premiere Pro projects, and the list goes on. You get unlimited access to download from their entire library, with a subscription. And the best part is, it's all royalty-free, meaning you can use any of the content in your videos without worrying about licensing fees or copyright issues. Storyblocks also have its Creative Cloud plugin, where you can access the entire library, in After Effects and Premiere Pro without leaving your editing window. I have been using Storyblocks for the last 5 years and used their assets in many of my projects. Click the link in the description, and download millions of video assets for your next projects. Let's get back to the tutorial. Now select both keyframes and place them around this position. Then open the scale, and make sure to click on this link icon to turn off the proportion scaling. Now go to around 20 frames position, and add a keyframe on the scale. Then go to the first frame, and change the Y scale value to 0%. Check the animation, and this is how it will look. Now press U to reveal all keyframes. Then select the scale, and if you have seen the previous tutorial, I have made an After Effects script using the ChatGPT. You can download it from the link in the description. After installing it into After Effects, go to the Files, Scripts, and choose the magic button. Now click on the bounce, and it will add the bounce expression to it. Check the animation, and this is how it looks. Now adjust the keyframe position so that they won't interfere with each other. Let's select these keyframes, and press F9 to ease them. Open Graph Editor. In case your graph does not look like this, then right-click here and choose Edit Speed Graph. Now change the curves to something like this. Check the animation, and this is how it looks now. Not bad. Switch back to the main timeline, and let's turn on the motion blur for this text layer. Check the animation, and it is looking much better now. You can always adjust the keyframes to manage the animation timing. I think this looks better. Now select this text layer, and make a duplicate of it. Double-click on this text layer, and replace the letter with another one. I am using the letter O. Now go to around the 2-second position, and use the Shift, plus the right arrow key, to place this letter at this location. Now the thing is, we need to change the rotation of the letter O just a tiny bit. Press U to reveal all keyframes, then go to the first rotation keyframe, and here we need to rotate this layer, so we won't be able to see the depth of the letter. It might be a little visible, but you will notice. Let's go to the next keyframe, and we need to change the rotation of it as well. And this is how it will look now. Fit it 100%, and I am quickly making all the letters. I am fast forwarding this step to save some time. Of course, you should spend your time making it perfect. Now after making all the changes, we are done. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Till then, good luck, and peace. Again, thank you Storyblocks for sponsoring this video. Check the first link in the description.